In this section, we will be actually understanding how to make the funnel chart or pyramid. The pyramid is basically, if you see the shape of the pyramid, we have got this is the shape of the pyramid. Okay. But when we see the funnel, it's just reverse of this. Okay. So all is basically the arrangement of the data. Here the data are sorted from in the ascending order, and here we have the sorted in the descending order. That's it. Okay. So in either way, if you know how to make a population pyramid, or you want to you know how to make it make a funnel chart, you can make either of them. Okay. So we'll be working on any of them. So we'll be trying to make the pyramid chart, and then you can also make the funnel chart by yourself. So let's start up with our work, and let's clear the area. So let's make, when we are working with population pyramid, let's have that for the ages, and then we have say age from 91 to 100. Then we have got 81 to 90 and 71 to 80. So let's see if it is possible to write that down. Then we have 61 to 70. Then we have 51 to 60, 41 to 50, and 31 to 40. And then we have the male and females. So let's put this as, and say population in millions. So let's create a random data. So we will be using the random array function. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows, and we have got 2 columns. Minimum, let's take it as 2, and maximum, let's take it as 4. And here we will take as a decimal factor. Okay, so it has created as a random number. There's lots of decimal places. So let's copy this data and paste this as the values, and then let's move it to two decimal places. Now the first thing is that what we need is to convert, when we are doing the population pyramid with two, basically what we are planning to do, or what we do in population pyramid, is that we have got one data here. Okay. Now this data are arranged. So we have got one, say for example, we have got males here. Okay. And we have got females here. So there are two basically ways of showing the population pyramid. Either that the population or anything is arranged on a decreasing or increasing order, but since we are going into smart visualization, what we'll be trying to basically arrange the data on decreasing or increasing the size of the data size. So we have got 91 to 100, that will be coming on the top whatsoever the data are. Okay, and then it will be coming like this. It can be the series can be anything, but this population will be arranged according to the column that we are seeing. Okay, and then we have got female arranged on other side. Okay, so this is actually what we are trying to do for the smart visualization. Okay, and then we can have the population pyramid depending upon the value that we have. Okay, say for example here we have got 3.69. Okay, but we will be basically working on this particular column, so the data will be arranging on this particular column, and will the data will be spread according to that. That is our purpose. Okay, so let's clear it out. Let's clear our field. So for that, what we need is to convert one as a negative. Okay, so we'll be looking at different ways of doing this same thing. Okay, so let's put as males and females. So what we need is to convert this into a negative figure. Okay, or we'll see other ways of also doing the same work. Okay. So let's keep here as -1, and all we need is to just copy this data and put it here as if now. Then copy this -1, select this data and go for paste special. Okay. And here we see the option called operation as multiply. So as since this was there in the clipboard, it has actually multiplied the data with the clipboard data. Okay, and converted all into a negative figure. Okay. Let's make it into 2 decimal factor, and then let's also copy the females data here. Okay. And then we'll select the age and this male and female and insert a bar. So I've got 2 bar charts here for females as well as the males, two diverging in 2 different directions. I have to work on that, and then what we'll do is double click on this and select as format axis. The axis options, we've got axis option here. And then we will go to the axis options and category in the reverse order. So we go to horizontal axis option. Select values in reverse order. Not this one. It is the vertical categories. Okay. So we'll select on tick mark and categories in reverse order. And let's minimize this. Okay. And then we'll go to the labels, and in labels we'll select as label position as low. Okay, so done this till this part, and then what we'll need to do is to select the series data. Let's go to here, and then we will series overlap will be 100%, and gap within, let's put it as 0 to 2, make it as 50. And then we need to go for data labeling. Okay, so we'll just add it, go to data label, and then more option. So we selected the wrong one. Okay, we have to go for data levels and go for more options. In the more options, we will be getting this data. Now let's go to functions. Will not show the values, and then we'll go to the numbers. Select the custom, okay, and add it. Select values. Data labels, more option. As custom, and just add it. The values of this regions, and we are looking forward for the series categories name. Okay, and remove the values. Okay, so simply we can also add on this side, okay, the data labels. So just next to that, it's by default getting selected. So we have this on the number. Let's remove as this one values, and we want the category name. So we want got the category name on this, and also we know the data. So this is basically how the population pyramid is made. Now this population, this our chart is not looking like the population pyramid because it's not a V-shaped or triangle shape. The reason is that we do not have the population increasing or decreasing. Okay. So it can also be made for the cells of different figures. So cells funnel is also made in the similar way. Okay, so we can make the cells funnel. So population pyramid or anything like that can be done using the same process. All we need is to convert the negative into positive and positive into negative, and then accordingly we can prepare the population pyramid.